Now what we're going to be looking into is our class libraries / my files, and we're going to differentiate between the two of those sections, but we're going to lean heavily onto the class library. So let's just go ahead and go to Easy Class. And as you can see, I'm at my home page on my account in Easy Class. I'm going to go over to my course, right? And it's going to load up right there. Okay, and as you can see here, we have class wall and all of our modules here. We're going to go over to the class library, but before we do so, I want to draw your attention to the My Files section at the very, very top, right up here. Now, the My Files, think of it as your very own folder. This is where you're going to store files. If you teach multiple courses, multiple classes, this is where you're going to be storing all of your files, all of your documents. So this is just for your use. You can upload, share, download, delete, anything that you would like. The class library actually is exactly as it sounds. It is strictly for this course, strictly for this class. And so you will share there either things that you will upload, you can share from your My Files section, and this is solely for the students. The class library is the section where the instructor can share files with students, and it's specific to that class only, okay? And only the instructor can manage files under this section. Students can only view and download files from here. Okay, so if you kind of look, I've already populated from my files the syllabus for this course. Now, immediately under class library, you're going to see three different tabs. One is add folder, one is delete folder, and the other one is to rename a folder. And this is really good and important because that way you can organize all of your documents for a class. In this case, it will be course admin. Now, if you do not have any folders on here, anything that you place in the class library will just list right on this page, and it will go on through. So students will have to scroll through a long list if you have a lot of documents. I like to organize things a little bit more. And so in this case, I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder. And in this, I'm going to call Reading Resources, right? And so let's say this is stuff that I want them to read. And if you notice, there is nothing in this folder. In the course admin, the syllabus is there. So I want to go ahead and select the Reading Resources, and I'm going to share from my files. It will go there. Now, equally here, I'm going to share Chapter 1 student notes. See, I'm going to highlight that, click OK, and it immediately appears right there. Chapter 1 student notes. If I come up here to class library, it does not appear. However, when I go into Reading Resources, it does appear. Now, students can then come, and if they go to the gear section under functions for that file, they can come right here and download the file or copy the file. They will not be able to delete. This is only available to an instructor, but when a student sees it, they can download the file. And actually, let's go ahead and take a look and see what that looks like with a student. I'm going to go ahead and log out, sign right back in as a student, and go to that course, right? Let's go ahead and look and see. So I'm going to go into the course, and under class library, look, it's already populating for me. See? I can see the syllabus. I can come over here. I can download or copy the syllabus, and I can look into my Reading Resources, open that up, and there it is. Chapter 1 student notes, and I can go ahead and download that for later use. I hope that helps. God bless. See you in the next video.